Andrew, DrDetail here. It's going to take me about 18 man-hours to get that big boy all cleaned and washed and pretty. We're going to put that machine way up there on the hill. It's a grapple hook and dragging line where they put it way in the forest and they can drag crazy trees. These trees here are about 40 meters high. These trees up here are specially and deemed for telephone poles throughout Canada. This is telephone pole country. Average tree is approximately $3,000 to $5,000 each before it's processed. They're big boys and they're very, very valuable. Andrew, DrDetail. Having fun.